Have you ever pondered the prospect of becoming a data analyst, yet find yourself without an IT background? If so, shed those worries because this path is not as daunting as it might first appear. With a little dedication, curiosity, and the right direction, the world of data analysis is within your grasp. Think of data analysis as a craft, a skill that can be honed and perfected over time. Much like learning a language or mastering an instrument, the key lies in understanding the basics and consistently practicing. To start, immerse yourself in the world of data. Begin with a foundation in mathematics and statistics. These are the bedrock of data analysis. You don't need to be a mathematical genius, but a basic understanding of statistical measures like mean, median, mode, and standard deviation will go a long way. Next, familiarize yourself with data visualization. This involves presenting data in a graphical or pictorial format, making complex data more understandable, insightful, and usable. Excel is a great tool for beginners, and as you progress, you can explore more advanced tools like Tableau or Power BI. Now, to the core of data analysis, learning programming languages. Start with Python or R. Both are powerful tools for data analysis and widely used in the industry. They might seem intimidating at first, but remember, they're just tools to express your logic and solve problems. Dedicate a few months to get a good grasp of either language. Next, dive into SQL, the standard language for dealing with databases. It allows you to access, manipulate, and analyze data stored in databases. Spend about a month to get comfortable with the basics. After mastering these tools, it's time to understand the data analysis process itself. This involves data cleaning, data transformation, data modeling, and finally, data visualization. This process, often referred to as the data analysis lifecycle, can take a few weeks to understand and internalize. Once you've got the theory down, it's time to get your hands dirty with some real-world projects. Participate in Kaggle competitions or work on datasets available on platforms like Google's Dataset Search or UCI Machine Learning Repository. This hands-on experience is invaluable and will take your understanding to a whole new level. Dedicate a few months to this. After about a year of learning and practicing, you'll be ready to apply for entry-level data analyst positions. Build a compelling portfolio showcasing your projects and understanding of data analysis. Network with professionals in the field, apply for internships, and don't shy away from entry-level roles. Remember, everyone starts somewhere. In summary, the journey to become a data analyst involves building a foundation in mathematics and statistics, learning data visualization, mastering programming languages like Python or R and SQL, understanding the data analysis lifecycle, getting hands-on experience through projects, and finally applying for jobs with a compelling portfolio. It's a journey of continuous learning and practice, but with patience and perseverance, you'll find yourself navigating the world of data with ease.